If you're a woodland owner, you know how challenging it is to keep your property and your family working together across the generations. That's what the Ties to the Land program is all about. Mark Green and I first developed this program 20 years ago in partnership with Oregon State University to help families start those essential conversations about ownership, succession, and shared values. The ideas and tools contained in this program are timeless, and they've helped thousands of families just like yours. This re-release of the original 2006 Ties to the Land program includes the full set of educational videos, companion workbooks, and facilitator training guides. Everything you need to help your family or your community group start this conversation and work through this process together. Join with us and learn how to keep both your forest and your family thriving for generations to come.